Hi everyone, welcome back to Liz Sews. Today I thought I would just go through the Bewears mystery box with you, and this will be for the month of December. Not quite an unboxing just because I've already opened it and looked inside, but I thought you guys would want to see what is in there also. Mostly I'm just procrastinating because right now I'm working on this 1930s green gown. I've got it to the point where it just needs a zipper and a hem, but those are always the sort of activities that I mess things up on if I am not well rested and really focused on it. So I thought I'd just take a break and do something else for a little while. So this, like I said, is the December mystery box. And I've already opened it up. So just like the last time, we get a little note from the shop owner. Basically, she says this is a Christmas box and it has, you know, everything in red and green to do with Christmas. It has red fabric, elastics, lace, and a pattern. So one thing that is missing from this box that I had in the last box and I really appreciated was the little card that says everything that is inside of the box, so everything that you're getting. So I wish she would have continued on in that realm and provide that little packing list as well, because I thought that was super helpful, especially if you're new to bra making and you're not quite sure what things are, to have that list that tells you what things are, and it's fairly easy to match it up once you look at quantities and lengths and stuff like that. So as I said, it comes with a pattern, and that pattern is actually on this little flash drive here. The pattern that is included is a camisole pattern, and this is something that's relatively new. I think she's launching it on her website this week. So we all got it before it was available to the public, so that's kind of cool. But one thing is that I found it doesn't have any directions or like how much fabric you need for it. So I don't know. I'm thinking about sewing up a camisole, and you'll see the stuff in the box that I'm going to use for it. So I might go ahead and shoot a video for that, just so that there will be some instructions available for people who want it. Also included in this little bag are rings and sliders. These look quite wide. They look like they might be 3/4 of an inch maybe. I'm not sure. When I was selecting the box, I chose to get the larger box, so the box that has larger findings. It's not necessarily that has more stuff in it, just that the findings are larger. Generally, you want that for bigger cup sizes, but I just, as a point of preference, tend to prefer bigger hooks and eyes. I think they're more comfortable, so that's why I went with the larger sized kit. So first item of fabric we have in here is red lace, and there's probably a meter in here. Like I said, there was no packing list and I haven't measured anything, so I don't know how much I got. So this is red lace. I actually don't have very much red because I don't think that it's super flattering with my skin tone, but I have heard that red makes a really good neutral bra because it doesn't show under white, and my white bras do show under white. So if I'm wearing a white bra and I wear a white shirt, it shows up very easily, but I've heard that red bras won't do that. So I am going to make a red bra out of this just to test that theory to see if it actually works. So in addition to that red lace there, we have this, which is again just for like panty finishing, so around the waist and leg holes, and it has some little gold accent stitching in there. There wasn't really anything in the box that can be used as panty fabric, so this is just going to sit in my stash until I have something I can use it with. Then we have some red ribbon, and I am probably going to use this as the straps for my camisole using that pattern she provided. Next up, we do have one piece of green lace. Obviously, green is a color that I wear much more frequently, as you can tell from like those yoga pants I'm working on and the gown. So this will probably get used. I don't have anything for it right now. It's kind of wide, so I don't think I could use it around the leg holes of a panties, but it would definitely work around the waist of a panty. I could see this like on a high-waisted panty, making a really nice waist accent. So I'm excited to use this. I could see this with gold. I could see it with other green fabrics. So yes, excited for that. Then we have, this is straps. So the straps, like I said, I got the wide one, and so this strap should correspond to the width of these rings and sliders that it came with. The strap actually is kind of nice. It has some detailing on there. You can see some flowers and stuff like that. So it's more ornate than just your regular satin strap. And then we also have, this is probably a 1/2 inch picot elastic. So generally I use this around the top band of my bra. So I will be using that again when I make my red bra. And then the last thing that we have in here is the stretch red satin. So this is going to be used to make the camisole. So I'm going to use the stretch red satin. I'm going to be using probably this ribbon for the straps, or I might make spaghetti straps. I'll have to see. The ribbon is obviously much more stable. Because this is a stretch satin, spaghetti straps might not work because they might pull out of place, but I'll probably just make them and use like a rouleau loop turner and see how they work. And if they don't, then I'll use this. And I'll use this pattern for that. And then for the bra, I will be using this lace, I'll be using this picot elastic, I'll be using the straps and the rings and slider that come with it. I probably will need to purchase a couple of other things. I need to purchase a hook and eye. I'm kind of surprised that a hook and eye wasn't included in the kit, to be honest. I also need to purchase probably some underwire channeling and some power mesh to go with this, because I want to do an all red bra. And then these two items will just go into my stash for use down the road. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video or interested to see what we got in this month's mystery box, and I will see you guys next time. Take care.